Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tarzan here, and today we will be making blue, smelly. We're going to try cannonballs, mix it with it at the end. Clear and sparkly slime. Sparkly slime. So let's get to it. The first ingredient every single first ingredient in slime is always glue. If you're using glue, you can make it out of soap too. But I never tried it. Well, I did try it before, but it never worked for me. I did it with my grandma before, off camera. So, and by the way, my grandma's here right now. Say hi.
How are you?
She's right next to me. I just need more glue, like enough glue, too. Okay, so it looks like it's just farting out all of this stuff. Like, it looks like it's making a big pile of poo, clear poo. Yep, clear poo. That's right. Now I'm just gonna. Wait, is this a small bowl? Is this the small bowl?
It's a medium. I give you the medium.
Well, you guys, I think I have glue. This is like all that I can get out. So now we'll put in some color. I just see a tan of blue. Do you guys see how much blue I added? That makes like a lot of blue. So I'm just gonna add that much. I would make clear, but I wanted it to be smelly and beautiful. This looks like it's made from blue dish soap. Oh my god, doesn't this look like it's made from blue dish soap? This looks like it's made from blue dish soap.
It does.
Because it's so blue. It's not even slimy. It looks like it's slimy though. So now I will be taking this out and putting in my my stuff to make it slimy. I just need something for this. Something like that much. Now I'm gonna mix. There we go. It's getting kind of slimy. It's getting kind of slimy. See? It's kind of slimy. I'm going to see more of this. Maybe just that. And also maybe this mixed with that equals my stuff. It's slimy. Guys, this looks pretty slimy. At the end, we are going to add cotton balls to it. Because I think it's a good idea because it might make it fluffier and might make it feel weird. Because this is going to be my first cotton ball slime. And I don't think cotton ball slime is a thing, but I just made it up. So, other YouTubers, you should try this too. But not with Nickelodeon slime. No, not that. Or you'll be copying me. Because I'm using Nickelodeon food coloring. And actually it's Nickelodeon paint. So I guess it does work. Look at this. I guess paint does work. Okay, and I'm going to take this off and mix with my hands. Now look at this. It feels so fluffy. And I didn't even add no stuff to it. Well, slime is fluffy without stuff, but the Nickelodeon slime is just, well, yeah. But I don't know, but the thing is, how do they make so much slime? How does Nickelodeon people make so much slime? Now, that's the real question. Okay, now I'm just gonna dab this on my little mixer thingy. Now, I'm gonna add some, actually, no, I don't want any glitter, so I'm not gonna add no glitter. But now it's time for cotton balls. I'm just gonna do a little. I just need one cotton ball. Ooh, let's use this. Here we go. This is my first time. Ready? Oh my god. Wow, what the? It feels so weird. It kind of feels good. Ew, what the? What the? Oh my god. This feels so good!
Ooh, can you feel it?
Kinda. I don't
Ooh, I
really
like
feel,
it.
I don't really feel the cotton ball. It's just like, it's just
I
like
like
in
it.
the middle. Look at the cotton ball is just like in the middle, stretching it. So that's cool. Well, that's how I make cotton ball slime. I'm just gonna add like a little bit more cotton ball, just to make it cool. And this one. Oh, I feel the strings in the slime. This time is actually really good. Cotton ball slime. Wow! I can't believe it works. Cotton ball fluffy slime.
Okay, I found them all. I did my puzzle.
Yay!
We both won.
So you gave me hints. Okay, guys. Well, I guess. Well, this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button if you didn't. Please scroll down there. Just scroll down, just like a baby bit, and please hit that subscribe button as with your slime, like this. Smack that subscribe button with your slime and the like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Can I play with your slime?
Wait. No, it's not done yet. Goodbye.